And we're live. Okay, so it has been around 2 weeks ish of me starting my MBA. Everyone here is really, really cool. Everyone here has come from a lot of work experience and everything. This video was ideally supposed to be made like a long time back, but delays because education comes first. And so today I'm going to be making a business card. I've actually been working on it for a while. I have a lot of it already done, and I want to show you that. And the reason why I've skipped over a lot of it is so that you don't get bored. I'm probably screwing up the camera angles because this is my first time. And as much as I would love to give you a room tour, that is not going to happen because my parents watch this and it is not in a presentable state. So I'm going to head to the library, and that is where I will show you the rest of my video. So I am in the library right now, and the room is completely clear. I I was about to come here a few hours ago. I did, but I met a lot of friends and the library was full, so I decided to not disturb anybody. So anyway, I'm really bad with this. Anyway, so now it's time to show you all what I have done. So I'm just going to switch the camera around. This was one of the first variations. I tried a lot of things, duplicated it, and then I ended up using this as my base model. So I go back from the start. So these are all the designs I made yesterday. As you can see, as the night went on, the designs get progressively worse. And then this is what I landed on this morning. So I started off with this and I moved on to this. Again, the text is up for debate, but now another variation was this. I'm not too sure about this. As cool as it looks, I'm not too keen on it. Alternatively, I had this one where I completely eliminate the alternative side. However, I do want to try to implement my logo in somehow, so I'm seeing if that can be put in here in some capacity. Maybe I put something up in the corner here. We'll see. Right, so I tried a few more variations and nothing is really sticking with me right now, so I'm just going to stick with the old designs that I had. The main idea, the key considerations that I took into mind was one, I wanted my name to be up there. Two, I'm going to put my name, like my phone number and email on it. And number three, I wanted a QR code. I want to link it to a website, but I don't have a website yet, so maybe that's something I make in the future. But until that happens, I needed something temporarily, and I have essentially linked it to a link tree that I created, and that link tree is what I'm linking to in the QR code. It's a lot of links I've said in one statement. So basically that I might go with the plain and simple one, but again, that really depends on how the printing uh, would turn out, and for that I need to go to a few experts. It's a new day. As you can see, I've shaved. Probably one of the better decisions regarding my looks. But anyway, getting back to the more important point, I have finally come down to four designs that I like. Two of those designs actually get clubbed into one business card, and the other two are standalone business cards. And these are what I will be showing you right now. I was having a lot of trouble when it came to coming up with the mock-ups. However, I will be showing all of them to you in whatever pretty way I can. So anyway, yeah, hope you like them.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.